Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahir Hussain. In this video, we will see what is clean room and how clean room classified in different guidelines. What is a clean room? A clean environment designed to reduce the contamination of processes and material. This is accomplished by removing or reducing contamination sources. Federal Standard 209E defines a clean room as a room in which the concentration of airborne particles is controlled to specified limits. British Standard defines a clean room as a room with control of particulate contamination, constructed and used in such a way to minimize the introduction, generation and retention of particles inside the room, and in which the temperature, humidity, airflow pattern, air motion and pressure are controlled. If we will see this picture, in this picture there is three positive signs. If you see these three positive signs, and here is the two positive sign and here is the one positive sign. These three positive sign in the quality assurance lab and aseptic area, which is the class 10,000, both our classes are 10,000. Here is the more positive pressure as compared to this area. It means that this air can go here, but these particles cannot become here. And this air, these particles can go this room, but these particles cannot come this area because here is more positive pressure as compared to this area. So now we will see what is the clean room classification. Clean room are classified according to the cleanliness level of the air inside them. The clean room classes is the level of cleanliness the room complies with according to the quantity and size of particle per volume of air. The primary authority in the US and the Canada is the ISO classification system ISO 146441. This standard includes the clean room classes ISO 1, ISO 2, ISO 3, ISO 4, ISO 5, ISO 6, ISO 7, ISO 8 and ISO 9. With ISO 1 being the cleanest and ISO 9 the dirtiest class, but still cleaner than a regular room. The most common classes are ISO 7 and ISO 8. The old Federal Standard 209, which have the classes 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, with withdrawn in 2001 and officially replaced by ISO 146441 in 1999, but it is still widely used. Clean room classification particle count. The basis of clean room standard is the micrometer or microns for short. We can write micrometer, which is the size of the particles to be filtered. As stated before, clean rooms are classified by how clean the air is according to the quantity and size of the particle per volume of air. The clean room classification table below shows the maximum concentration limits particles per cubic meter of air for particles equal to and larger than the considered size shown. Some classifications do not require certain particle size to be tested because the respective concentration are too low or too high to be tested, but they should not be zero. If we will see in this table, ISO 1, all ISO classes, it is dealing the air particle in volume in per cubic meter. And if I will go class 1, class 10, class 100, class 1000, class 10,000 and class 100,000, we are measuring the 0.5 or bigger than 0.5 microns in the volume of per cubic feet. We will see now this table, which is EEC, European Economic Community. In this table, showing the maximum number of particles in various grades of clean room, like grade A in the rest condition. This is the rest condition and this is the operation condition. In the rest condition, 0.5 microns or above should not be greater than 3500 and 5 microns particle should be 0 in 1 cubic meter of volume. Similarly, in the operation condition, 0.5 microns or above should not be greater than 3500 and 5 micron particle should be 0 in 1 cubic meter of volume. Same in the grade B, 35,000, 0.5 microns should be above, should not be more than 35,000 particle in 1 cubic meter of area, and 5 microns should be 0. And in operation condition, 350,000, 0.5 microns and 2,000 5 microns should be in 1 cubic meter of area. Should not be the quantity should not be more than of this quantity, which showing the table. In below table, we will see what is similarity in US FDA and EEC classifications. If we will see the class 100 it is equal to grade A and B, class 10,000 equal to grade C, and class 100,000 is equal to grade D. Class 100 in US FDA and grade A and B in EEC have same parameter and we can perform same activity in these two clean rooms. Same class 10,000 and grade C have the same parameter and we can perform the same activity in two clean rooms. Same in class 100,000 and grade D, they are equal. We can perform the same parameter and same activity in these two clean rooms. They have the similarity. We will see now this table. In this table, there are different ISO classes and the industrial application, like industrial application, electronics, consumable and pharmaceutical, and medical devices. So each application there is ISO class. We can see which application, which ISO class we have to use. Like I will come to the consumable and pharmaceuticals. The e-liquid, I have to use ISO class 7 or ISO class 8. Like medical device application, the application is device reprocessing, I have to use ISO class 7. So these are the different ISO classes for the different application. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you very much.